Hey, Brian here. Glad you are riding along. Hopefully we learn something together, or at least kill some time. Giles, Kanawha County. I'll be honest, this isn't a community I know well. My Spark roots ran through Boone and Logan mostly, and Kanawha meant Charleston to me, meant the warehouse, meant the start and end of the day. But Kanawha County goes a long way south of Charleston, and most of it looks nothing like Charleston. I keep thinking about how the county name is everywhere, on the river, on the courthouse, on the highway signs, but the places inside the county that aren't the county seat barely register on anybody's map. Somebody lived here first. Somebody's family probably gave this holler its name before Giles got its own. And that whole story is just sitting here on the side of a hill, while the rest of the state drives past on 119. I don't know this place yet. That's the honest thing I can say about it. Thank you for riding with me. We are in this together. Keep going.